content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC43 front end collision damage. We'll focus this portion of the video on the damage. As you can see, it's hitting the front end, not into the motor. This is just plastic covers. Need a radiator support, need a bumper support, need the radiator, condenser, fans. Motor's not pushed back at all. The radiator support does bolt on, it's all aluminum. Let's take a closer look here. Frame rails sit very far back. All this can be unbolted. Behind there, frame rail looks good. Aprons look good. Same over here, all these pieces unbolt. Aprons look square. Frame rail looks okay. It's hard to see it in the video. This piece can be unbolted here. See the frame rail's right behind it. That looks straight. Most of this stuff can be unbolted and changed. Let's do a quick walk around. Excuse the glare. Really nice unit. Pretty easy fix. It does start. It does move under its own power. These are extremely popular now. Anything in AMG is popular, especially on the export market. You have a panoramic roof. Really clean from the doors back. Let's take a look inside. Really nice interior, really nice panoramic roof, the red seat belts for the AMG. No other airbags deployed, just looks like the forward airbag. Nice stitching on the door panels. Zoom in. You have a driver airbag that's deployed. Knee airbag that's deployed. Seat airbags are good. Curtain airbags are good. Zoom out a little bit. It's like under 2,000 miles on this vehicle. No buckles in the roof. It's a good indicator that there's not any frame damage. Everything lines up pretty good. Doors close nice and easy. All the lines are good. Post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.